Good afternoon, my friends. Happy Monday to all of you. A big increase has been approved for monthly benefits. However, it has been announced that not everyone will be receiving these boosted monthly benefit checks. So today I will be sharing the full details on how you can claim this extra relief cash. So dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to see if you qualify. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter any of the giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater chance of winning the $75 Walmart gift card. Friends, I'll be announcing the winner of today's giveaway in a video later today, so please stay tuned.
Bidenomics are the single biggest threat to pursuit of the American dream by middle and lower income families in America today. We actually know what works when it comes to economics because we've had this experiment, this laboratory of democracy known as the states. In Texas from 2010 to 2020, we saw 4 million people added to our population. I think people from New York moved to Florida. People from out west in California moved to Texas. But people actually can vote with their feet when the economies of their states and the policies of their states strangle their aspirations and opportunities to pursue their dreams. And what's so important about that is that when your policies welcome job creators, people who will actually create then an opportunity for workers to earn a livelihood and put food on their table. That is an essential element. Those are essential elements of the American dream. But unfortunately, loyal Americans can't flee national or federal economic policies under Joe Biden. I think most people thought in the 2020 election they were going to get the real Joe Biden and maybe Joe Biden middle of the road economic policies. But what they got were Bernie Sanders and AOC's and the squad's economic policies. Oh, by the way, they call themselves democratic socialists, which is actually an oxymoron. Their policies are not democratic, they are socialist. Redistribution of wealth.
Here is an update on SNAP benefits. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, emergency allotments were authorized under the Family's First Crisis Response Act, and it was to help address the temporary food needs during the crisis. Emergency allotment amounts are equal to the maximum benefit for the household size, minus their monthly base benefit. State SNAP agencies can issue emergency allotments on a month-to-month basis to all SNAP households that normally receive less than the maximum benefit. Households that are at or near the maximum SNAP benefit will receive little or no additional support. As long as there's a national public health emergency in place, the state has a state-level emergency declaration. It states that it may choose to continue to provide monthly emergency allotments. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Secretary Xavier Becerra extended the crisis federal public health emergency back in April. That extension will last until the Secretary declares that the public health emergency no longer exists. So friends, as of right now, the current public health emergency is set to expire on July 15, 2022. The USDA has granted waivers to New Hampshire, New Jersey, North Carolina, Oregon, Rhode Island, South Carolina, and Wisconsin. All households in these states that have SNAP benefits will receive emergency allotments of at least $95. Households receiving $95 or more will continue to receive that same amount. Supplemental SNAP benefits will be issued through state EBT cards and can be used to purchase eligible food items at any authorized locations. You cannot use SNAP benefits to pay for dine-in restaurant meals unless you qualify for the SNAP Restaurant Meals Program and live in a state that participates in it. Restaurant Meals Program serves vulnerable populations like the elderly, people experiencing homelessness, and the disabled. Now, friends, this week, President Biden acknowledged that the United States is facing economic headwinds with high gasoline, and food prices, but he rejected the idea that a recession is inevitable. At a press conference in Tokyo, President Biden rattled off a series of investments that have spurred job growth, including a new Samsung factory in Texas, a new Hyundai operation in Georgia, and Toyota commitment in North Carolina. But when asked if there's going to be a recession for the U.S. economy, President Biden responded, no. The U.S. president said he would continue to work to boost oil supply, and he said he would continue to pursue policies that spur growth domestically. Biden further argued that passing his domestic agenda to lower child care and family care costs would lower inflation. President Biden has faced tremendous pressure from voters to tamp down on inflation, even as the president and White House aides point to low unemployment, strong gross domestic product growth, and many other underlying factors that show that the economy is strong. Many polls have shown that voters do not approve of President Biden's handling of our economy and plunges in the stock market in recent days. It has only fueled concerns about a looming downturn. During a recent interview, Brian Deese, the head of the National Economic Council and President Biden's top economic advisor, would not rule out the possibility of a recession entirely. He told reporters, our economy is in a transition from what has been the strongest recovery in modern America history to what can be a period of more stable and resilient growth that works better for families. Friends, the keyword for this video is sunshine. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is sunshine, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Many Republicans have shared their concern with more spending and adding to the United States debt. But the White House believes that the taxes in the Build Back Better bill will raise nearly $2 trillion to cover the $1.75 trillion social spending package over 10 years. And it is without raising taxes on small businesses or those making less than $400,000 a year. Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Terry Brady. Congratulations, my friend. Please note that if I've announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.